Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Arun Nagemia from Aerospace Engineering Department. Today, I am going to take one topic from Aircraft Maintenance Engineering subject. Topic name is aircraft wheels. So, in that aircraft maintenance engineering, what are all the problems we will find in that aircraft wheels? These are all things we will discuss by applying the DT5 stages. So first one is the empathize part. So in that empathize part, the what are all the failure and when it will happen due to the aircraft wheels. So first one is the Learjet crash in the year of 2008. So in that failure, it will be happened in Colombia due to the wheel alignment failure and tire busted. These are all the reasons that this failure will happen. Next one is a Concorde crash. This type of failure it will be happen due to the damages of tires. And next one is under inflation hazards. So in that things, there is no thread in that tire. So in that tire, the tire it will happen the smooth. That's why this type of failure it will be happen. And last one is brake overheating. So during the landing, if you apply the brake means the heat it can be generated due to the friction. This type of failure it will be happened in that wheel failure. Next one is a defined part. So in that defined part, we will check the each and every uh, part of the aircraft wheels and tires. First one is a visual check. So in that visual check, we will check the flat parts and uneven wear, bulge. These are all the indications it will be there in the tire or not. Next one is the tire pressure. Before takeoff and landing, we will check the tire pressure. If the tire pressure means very low, means we will increase the tire pressure. Next one is the wheel assembly. So every takeoff, we should check the wheel assembly by using the by inspect the bearing condition, brake rotor molding. And next one is the brake seat area. So in that things, we have using the brake seats. So in that seats, it will be properly located or not, and is there any damages found in that area? We will check before the takeoff. Next one is the ideate part. So in that ideate part, we will check the aircraft wheel the following maintenance checks. First one is the color coded cages. So in that color coded cages, it can be used to check the tire inflations. Next one is a digital checkup app. So in that digital checkup app, we will take the photo. So in that photo, it can be give the detailed failure of this aircraft wheels. And next one is a thermal wear sensor. So in that thermal wear sensor, during the break time, the overheating it can be found. So in the thermal wheel sensor, it can be detect and it will be used to reduce the formation of heat. Next one is the prototype. So in that prototype, what are the prototype? It can be used to solve these cases. So first one is the multi-sensor device. So in that multi-sensor device, the combination of pressure gauges, thermal sensors, and visual scanners. And next one is the instant data upload. So in this area, we will use the Bluetooth connectivity for real-time maintenance. And next one is ergonomics design. So in that cases, so we will check the tight spaces and what are all the assembly we will require. These are all things it can be taken for this cases. Next one is the prototype visual and tool in actions. So in the things the technicians involved to handle the tire pressure and what all the failure it will be found in that area. So testing, so in that testing model, we will apply the re- realistic model and variable conditions. So in the each and every test, it should be recorded in that manual. So if the so every inspection, we will avoid the 30 percentage of failure during the landing. So these are all the real-time impact of these cases. Already we discussed the prevention characteristics. In that cases, the this type of failure it will be happen due to the tire pressure. So in the each and every data it can be monitored by this manual. That's why we will find out the what type of failure happened. So what is the solution we will apply? These are all things it can be evaluated by using this design thinking stages. So thank you. We will catch you on next topic on next videos.